Well, hello everybody, welcome back, and let's do as the title says, a first look and a quick unboxing of what arrived in the mail today. My 9070 XT. I'd like to say sorry in advance. I'm not equipped or ready to do any of these unboxing videos, but here goes nothing. Yes, I got the 9070 XT Red Devil from PowerColor. And as you can see on the box, it's pretty basic, nothing really special on it other than obviously this nice Red Devil logo on the front, really big, and it's very shiny, I would say. There's nothing really more on the box other than it says 16 gigabytes on the bottom left, and on the bottom right it shows AMD Radeon 9070 XT. This is just showing you all over the sides of the box, so the bottom, top, left and right, the back side of the box as well. So if you want to see anything or read anything in specific here, you can pause the video and read it. This is just a quick unboxing and a quick hands-on quick look on the graphics card. Yeah, this is me just opening it and talking a little about it. I'm doing a voiceover, so there's nothing special here. Just a quick video that I'm putting together. Yeah, inside the box there's another box, obviously. Inside the box there's a box, inside of the box there's another box. I bought this on scan here in the UK. It's well packed, it's all black though, there's nothing really on it. I still remember the 1080 Ti that I bought. They came in a black box, but it did say GTX or I think it said GTX or NVIDIA, something like that. Anyway, this graphics card at least comes with an extra cable to control, I'm assuming to control the RGB on the back. Yes, I'm assuming because I still didn't plug it in. This is a quick voiceover. I still didn't plug it in on my computer and just seeing what's inside. It comes with a nice metallic Red Devil logo. It has double-sided tape at the back from the brand 3M, so it should be really good and sticky. And it also comes with a GPU holder. Well, this stick here, at first I thought it was a screwdriver. I quickly discovered that it's this GPU holder in case you don't have one, or if you want to have one. In my case, my specific case, my actual case from Asus, I do have a two GPU holders, so I don't need it. I'll put a picture up. But yeah, this one you can unscrew up to this size. Well, you've watched up until now. It's been 3 minutes or more, and you still didn't like the video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna release way more content, at least I'm gonna try my best to. This is the only way you can have another YouTuber to watch, is by liking and subscribing my video. You can leave a comment as well if you want. Now let's go back to the peeling and the unboxing experience. I never had such a bad peeling experience like I had with this card. This was the worst peeling ever. I didn't have that many cards in my life, but still. The backplate peel, that was fine. It was actually quite satisfying. Especially because of the pass-through. It's quite satisfying and nice sound, but the rest of the card, that was horrible, like bad. Okay, it's like a very hard plastic, but it's very good glue. At least it's sticky. It's very on it, but every time you try to peel it, it just keeps ripping and ripping. And it was horrible. Okay, I'm just gonna let the video play and talk for itself. If you don't want to see it, then just don't look, but at least continue to listen, because I'm gonna continue to talk over the video. But yeah, this was the best one. I wish this was the worst experience that I ever had peeling a card. I know I'm repeating myself, but seriously, this PowerColor, don't do this again. Thank God at least it was only one time. You know, it's just a one-time off. You do it once and you never do it again. There was no peel on the fans. So you know the central hub of the fans. It usually has some peeling to do as well. This one didn't have. But enough about peeling. I am going to test in 1440p. I can test in 1080p if you guys want. It's totally up to you. Leave a comment if you want me to test it in 1080p as well. But I'm gonna do it in 1440p because that's the only monitor I have. I don't know how to test 4K without a 4K monitor. I don't know if that's even possible. But if it is, well, there's a comments down there. You can just tell me how to do it, please. But yeah, I'm going to invest on a 4K monitor just to do the tests. Because these cards, at least the one that I'm unboxing, the 9070 XT and even the 7900 XTX, the one that I have right now, they're definitely 4K cards in my opinion, and I'm gonna do a 4K benchmark, but a lot of benchmarks in 4K, but only when I finally have my monitor. Because for now, I don't, and I don't know exactly when I'm gonna get it, but hopefully soon, maybe the end of this month, obviously after I get paid. But for now, it's just gonna be 1080p. If you guys want 1080p, I'll do it, but definitely 1440p. And I don't have infinite amount of games. Yeah, and nobody gives me keys for free or anything like that. So I'm going to do at least 7 to 10. I have 7 or 8 games confirmed that I'm going to do benchmarks on. If there's any games in specific that you'd like me to try, even if you don't know which ones I'm going to do, just leave a comment down below on what's your favorite game, or what's the game that you would like to know what the comparison between the 7900 XTX is going to be versus the 9070 XT, or just if you're curious about how is the 9070 XT going to compare, how is it going to perform in this video game, just let me know down below and I'll do my best. But that's gonna do it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe. Once again, don't forget to leave comments of everything that you want me to do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Jack.